You don't have to beg for attention or constantly remind a man how valuable you are. A woman's worth is felt, not spoken. Men pay attention to how you move, how you treat yourself, and what you allow. Let's talk about 3 powerful habits that silently show a man your worth without saying a single word. 1. You don't overgive. One of the biggest mistakes women make is giving too much too soon, emotionally, financially, or physically, hoping it'll make a man see their value. But here's the truth, when you overgive, you're teaching him that he doesn't need to invest much to have your love and attention. Men value what they earn, not what's handed to them freely. When you pull back and allow effort from his side, you're showing emotional balance and self-respect. For example, if he stops calling or texting for days, don't rush to fill that silence, let him notice your absence. When he realizes your attention isn't guaranteed, he'll start valuing it more. Showing restraint doesn't mean being cold or playing games, it means understanding that your energy, time, and presence are valuable. And when a man sees that you treat yourself like a prize, he'll start treating you like one too. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to subscribe. I share more psychology-based relationship insights to help women build confidence and attract real love. 2. You maintain high standards. A woman's standards speak louder than her words ever could. When you refuse to tolerate disrespect, inconsistency, or confusion, you're silently saying, "I know who I am, and I won't settle." That kind of confidence commands respect. If a man calls only when it's convenient for him, or treats you like an option, your response should be distance, not discussion. You don't need to argue or explain your worth, your boundaries do that for you. And the beauty is, a man who truly values you will adjust his behavior to meet your standard. The ones who don't? They quietly remove themselves. And that's how you protect your peace and your dignity. Remember, walking away from what doesn't serve you is the loudest way to show your worth. You teach people how to treat you by what you're willing to accept, and what you refuse to entertain. 3. You have your own life and purpose. Nothing makes a woman more attractive than a life that's full and meaningful, with or without a man in it. Men are drawn to women who have direction, purpose, and joy that doesn't depend on them. When he sees you chasing your dreams, working on your goals, and nurturing your social life, it signals that you're emotionally independent. You're showing that love is a beautiful addition to your life, not your entire life. That quiet independence makes a man respect you deeply, because you're not asking him to complete you, just to complement you. A woman who's constantly busy growing, learning, and creating is magnetic. She becomes the kind of woman who's hard to replace, because her value doesn't come from his validation, it comes from within. Conclusion. You don't show your worth by talking about it, you show it by how you live. Through your self-respect, your standards, and your independence, a man instantly knows the difference between a woman he can play with and a woman he must respect. Subscribe for more powerful, psychology-based relationship advice that helps women attract genuine love by becoming the best version of themselves.